What's up YouTube? It's Pico.Blurred back again with another video. Now it's been a minute since I made an actual video. I've been doing a lot of shorts, but it's been a minute since I made like an actual video. In this video, as you can see by the title, it was a girl and it was her first time coming to a barbershop. She had told me that she used to go to like salons or whatever and they didn't really have do the cuts that she liked. And she tried a couple other barbers and they refused to cut her hair. So she ended up coming to me, did the look that she wanted, and she left happy. So now this video, I made it a bit short so you guys don't have to like spend a super long time watching the whole haircut and have me talking the whole time. So I hope you guys enjoy it, but let's get into the video. And I got this haircut.
Oh my god, is that Pico.Blurred?
Look at that before, man. She hated the hair in her eyes, but you know we gonna fix that. So my first step in every fade that I do is to clear out the bulk, just so I can see what I'm doing a little bit better. So right here, I'm using my number 4 guard going off the head so I can keep some bulk at the top. I'm coming in after with some clipper over comb just to refine the shape a little bit better. Since I'm not doing a regular bald fade, I'm using my number 1 guard to punch in that initial guideline, which is going to be the lowest guard that I use in this fade. This is the base of the fade, so you want to make sure that it's super clean to set you up for success in the rest of the fade. Now these aren't my usual steps in my fade, but since we're blending into a number 1 at the bottom, I'm going to blend down, starting with my number 3, which blends straight into the number 4 at the top. Continuing to blend down, I grab my number 2 guard with the lever open and start to blend down, closing the lever as I go down to the number 1 guard. This step you don't have to be too afraid because the 2 will blend straight into the 3. After the number 2, I grab my 1.5 guard and start to blend out that line even more. Now this is the step that's going to connect the number 2 to the number 1 guard that you set in the initial guide with. Remember to play with that lever, opening and closing until that line is completely blended out. After I'm happy with the blend, I grab my texturizing shears and start to attack that bulk at the top, just to make it less heavy. One of the most important steps is connecting the top to the sides. So right here, I'm bringing hair over from the top to my bulk guideline, and I'm using point cutting so that I don't create a super harsh line. After I'm done connecting the sides to the top, I'm going to use an initial guideline for the rest of the top, just so I know how long I'm supposed to cut it. As you can see, I'm also point cutting the top, just because I want to add more texture rather than blunt cutting it, because then it'll leave it a little bit flat. I want to bring out her natural wave, her natural texture, so this is a good way to bring out more texture in the hair. Right here, I'm mostly using my corners to etch in that edge up. After the cut is finished, I'm going to use a matte pomade to style it and use a diffuser so I can bring out that texture. And this is the final cut. I hope you guys liked it. I know she enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed the content, I hope you guys give me a follow. Peace.